We have made it to the dunes of Corralejo. We're doing a late night one today because of the weather. It's been so hot. And it's the best time to do it. The sunset. Certainly less people around. Walking over the dunes. The dunes here are quite big and do go for quite some way. So if you're thinking of coming to the island, I'd recommend a visit here. There's one particular big dune that we always like. We checked it out last time we came and we've parked up right next to it. Oh, and it's so much cooler now than it has been. It has been so hot today. And they go for quite some way. And there are the Rio hotels in the distance over there. So these are the dunes. As you can see, they're really steep. And his name's all been done out of stones. The dune's creating this almighty shadow. There we go, folks. The sun is setting behind the mountains, and just like that, boom, it's gone. Hope you enjoyed that little sunset. And that's it, guys. Alright, time to go back to the car and head back to the town. So a big shout out to the members of the channel, and thank you to the gold members listed here. Go check out their channels. And I just want to say thank you for watching today and hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to check out the playlist, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and have a great day. Bye.